Hi guys, here I'll be showing you what you're going to see once your broker, your Xness has been verified. So all you do is click on your profile. So you will see account verified. This shows that your account has been verified. All payment methods are available now. So you go back to your account. You go back to your account. Yeah, once you click your account, you see your details. Here you can now do you cannot deposit. You click on deposit. Yeah, we have different options. You click on online, then you click on how much in naira, and you say 10,000. So their rate is, you see their rate. So you see, once you deposit at this particular time, the rate is, once you deposit 10,000, you'll be getting 9.74 euro. Then you click on confirm. Then you click on pay with bank transfer. Click on yes, I understand. Here you copy this bank you see here. This the name of the bank. You copy, then you take it to your whichever bank you want to use. Maybe PalmPay, OPay, like that. So once you send it, immediately you do your transfer on your bank app. It will reflect within 2-3 minutes on your app here. So if you want to withdraw, you go through the same process. You click on withdraw, then you click on maybe now online bank, then you click on the amount you want to withdraw, then you proceed. That is how simple this particular broker can be, and their service is very okay. Thank you guys for your time, for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Peace.